Well, thank you, Chairman Graham and Ranking Member Feinstein. It's my pleasure to introduce two nominees today. Judge Stephanie Dawkins Davis for the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan, and Mr. Michael Bogren for the U.S. District Court of the Western District of Michigan. Senator Stabenow and I are proud that we were able to work in a bipartisan way to recommend two individuals who I believe will serve the state of Michigan and the country very well. It is crucial that in Michigan and across the country we have a strong judiciary committed to upholding our laws and administering justice. I'm happy to introduce these nominees before the distinguished members of the Senate Judiciary Committee today. As a native of Southeast Michigan, I'll begin with the eastern side of the state. I'm honored to introduce Judge Stephanie Dawkins Davis, nominee to serve on the Eastern District Court of Michigan. Judge Davis is joined this morning by her husband, Grant, her children, Keanoa, Jay-Z, and Maya. She is also joined by her friend Karen and her law clerk, Daniel. Judge Davis' parents, Eline and Ronald, are watching on TV from Judge Davis' hometown of Kansas City, Kansas. Judge Davis, I know they are extremely proud of you. A born litigator, Judge Davis became interested in the law at an early age, inspired by the landmark Brown versus Board of Education case. And this is a true story. Judge Davis's kindergarten teacher once told her mother that she saw the back of Judge Davis' head more frequently than her face. You're probably asking why. Well, it's because she was constantly turning around to litigate disputes between her classmates, starting at a very early age, her judicial temperament. An alum of Wichita State University and Washington University School of Law in St. Louis, Judge Davis began her career as a civil defense attorney at Dickinson Wright in 1992. She later joined the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Michigan's office in 1997, prosecuting cases at both the trial and the appellate levels. Judge Davis spent time as the Deputy Unit Chief of the Controlled Substance Unit and as a high-intensity drug trafficking area liaison. Her success in the department led then U.S. Attorney Barbara McQuaid to appoint Judge Davis as Executive Assistant U.S. Attorney in 2010, a position that she held through 2015. In 2016, she was appointed a magistrate judge for the Eastern District and appointed to the Flint Federal Courthouse. When I met Judge Davis, she said that she has always been a kind of a corny kid who was interested in justice and fairness. I think that's exactly what makes her perfect for this job. Judge Davis has been an exemplary public servant, working hard to serve the people of Michigan and earning the respect of colleagues all across our state. She also gained the admiration of her U.S. Attorney's Office colleagues as a member of the Supremes, which is a musical trio of attorneys who perform at going-away parties and office holiday parties. Judge Davis has earned numerous awards throughout her long career and has been involved in community initiatives, including the Advocates and Leaders for Police and Community Trust, an organization that examines issues affecting policy and community relations. I crossed paths with Judge Davis when she co-chaired the Detroit Youth Violence Prevention Initiative to ensure children have a pathway towards high quality of life through education, jobs, and careers. I'm proud to recognize her for her many accomplishments and for the diverse voice and perspective she will bring to the bench as the judge of the Eastern District of Michigan. Now moving to the western side of the state. Chairman Graham, Ranking Member Feinstein, I'm pleased to introduce Michael Bogren, nominee to serve on the Western District Court of Michigan. Mr. Bogren is joined today by his children Rebecca and Charles and his sister Nancy. Mr. Bogren's mother Phyllis and wife Catherine were unable to attend today. However, I'm certain they are following this hearing very closely. Mr. Bogren is a native of Parchment, Michigan and lives in Hastings, Michigan. He is an alum of Western Michigan University and the University of Detroit School of Law. Mr. Bogren's interest in law began long before law school. After reading F. Lee Bailey's For the Defense, he decided that being a trial lawyer was the path that he wished to pursue. He once convinced his high school literature teacher to stage a mock trial for Hamlet. He represented the tortured prince and successfully acquitted him for the murder of his uncle Claudius, pleading temporary insanity. This was the first of his many legal successes. Mr. Bogren started at the law firm of Plunkett Cooney in 1985, making partner in just 4 short years. He now serves as chairman of Plunkett Cooney's board of directors and is managing partner of the firm's Kalamazoo office. He primarily represents municipalities in matters of civil rights and constitutional law. Mr. Bogren is very active and well respected within the legal community in Western Michigan. He is a member of the Kalamazoo County Bar Association, the American Bar Association, as well as the Public Corporation section of the State Bar of Michigan. He is also a member of the International Municipal Lawyers Association and the Association of Governmental Risk Pools. Mr. Bogren has a strong legal mind and is committed to serving the people of Michigan, and I know he will serve his community and his country well as a judge of the Western District of Michigan.